I added a layer top of the layer 3 and clip it. I am using soft pastel brush. In this layer I will add shading on the skin. I choose a darker color than the skin color for shadows. Now add a layer top of the layer 4 and clip it. In this layer I will add shading on the t-shirt and the jeans. Choose a darker color than the base color or flat color. Now choose a more darker color for the dark shadows. And choose a light color for light tone. Let me remind you, if you haven't seen the part 1 yet, watch the part 1 first, then back to this video. And now add a clip layer top of the layer 6. In this layer I will add shading and detailing on the hair. If you are confusing with layers, then pause and zoom in the video and watch it carefully when I will add a layer. Now back to the skin shading layer. In this layer I am painting the eyeballs and the lips. Back to layer 8, I am using pen fed brush here. Now I added a clip layer top of the layer 8. In this layer I am shading on her belt, bangles and earrings. Now I will make those shadows more wider and darker. Same for the skin tone. Added a clip layer top of the layer 3. I am using round brush here. In this layer I am coloring the tattoos. Now I added a layer in the bottom for background. Here I am using airbrush. So friends, if you like this tutorial, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, comment down below. See you in the next video.